You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, this letter, and this syllable. Alright, so because this can be different things in English. Written this way, it generally refers to a Greek letter that's commonly used in mathematics, right? To calculate the circumference of a circle, for example. It's pronounced as pi. Yes, just like a meat pie, for example, just like the word spelled P-I-E, pi, all right? So it's not P, it's pi. Now, as a syllable in words, it can be pronounced either P, or pi, depending on the word. Pi is how you pronounce it generally. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.